Welcome to the FlameTask tutorial on history. This means history to service or other activities or notes on a piece of equipment. Select a piece of equipment and in the right-hand pane, you'll see all of the history for this piece of equipment. Some examples are inspections, recharges, hydrostatic tests, and not in at time of inspection. Some information on this screen are description, date and time of the activity, technician, site or location, and questionnaire information. These records are automatically added upon performing services. The information can be changed, such as selecting another technician who did the work. Other entries are by specifying equipment wasn't in at time of inspection. You can also add a basic history record for something that is outside of the normal setup services or activities. An example may be an observation or a note that the equipment needs to be replaced. These history records are printed on the inspection report. Thanks for watching the FlameTask tutorial on history.